Many people are unaware that castor oil has been used for centuries to treat various ailments and is still revered for its healing properties. This video will explore the uses and benefits of castor oil for the human body. From skincare to digestive health, castor oil is a versatile natural remedy. Watch the video to learn more about the benefits of this superb oil. Castor oil is a vegetable-based oil derived from the seeds of the castor plant. It is a thick, dark, sticky oil with an unpleasant odor. However, the smell of castor oil is not due to the type of oil itself. It is actually due to the chemical makeup of the oil. Castor oil is composed of ricinoleic acid, which gives it a strong odor. The oil is lightweight, making it a favorite among natural hair care products, and has been used for centuries as a food, medicine, and industrial lubricant. This oil is also widely used in cosmetics, soaps, and other skincare products. It is a significant constituent in many skin and beauty products because of its ability to moisturize and heal the skin. So here are the best benefits of castor oil for the human body. 1. Boosts immunity. Castor oil is one of the best home remedies for boosting the body's resistance to diseases. It strengthens the immune system and guards against infections. The plant has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties that help fight off infections. The plant contains ricinoleic acid, which is an omega-9 fatty acid. This fatty acid makes castor oil great for fighting inflammation and infection. The versatile oil features vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps strengthen the immune system. Castor oil is also rich in linoleic acid, which helps fight bacterial infections. You definitely want to keep this oil in your medicine cabinet. 2. Improves circulation. Circulation is vital for a healthy body. It helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the organs and tissues, helping them stay healthy. Castor oil is excellent for improving circulation as it contains linoleic acid, a compound that can improve blood flow. The oil also features ricinoleic acid, which can help relax the blood vessels and regulate blood pressure. 3. Enhances hair growth and strength. Castor oil is the most effective oil for hair growth. It has been used for centuries in many parts of the world to treat various ailments like hair loss and dandruff. The oil has specific properties that help stimulate the scalp. It helps in promoting faster hair growth by stimulating the hair follicles. Plus, it helps in retaining moisture and adding shine to your hair. Castor oil is a deep conditioning treatment for damaged hair by penetrating the shaft from root to tip of the hair. It coats and seals the hair cuticle and prevents future damage. Thanks to its ability to improve blood circulation to the follicles, it promotes the growth of strong and healthy hair. Castor oil is a leave-in conditioner to hydrate and nourish the hair. These benefits are why you need to add them to your beauty regime. 4. Reduces pain and inflammation. Are you aware you can use castor oil as a pain reliever, especially in the cases of joint pain, backaches, and headaches? It contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and pain. Castor oil acts as a natural remedy to treat ulcers and stomach pain. It is also beneficial in relieving menstrual pain and cramps in women. Plus, it can give you relief from the pain of swollen gums. The best thing about castor oil is that it is cheap and readily available. You can easily find it in the local grocery store or online. 5. Reduces cellulite. Cellulite is a condition in which the fat beneath your skin becomes lumpy, making your skin appear dimpled. This problem can be uncomfortable and usually occurs in women, but it can affect men. An effective remedy for this condition is castor oil. The oil can remove this lumpy fat, making your skin look smoother and more supple. It is rich in fatty acids, building blocks of the skin. So, the more fatty acids you have in your skin, the smoother and more supple it will be. Castor oil promotes blood circulation and detoxifies the body, reducing cellulite. Finally, it has anti-inflammatory properties that help act as a painkiller for cellulite. 6. Reduces stress. Castor oil is a great stress reliever because it contains ricinoleic acid, a mood-elevating compound. The anti-inflammatory properties can help you relax and get a good night's sleep. Thanks to its ability to lower blood pressure, you can always relax after a stressful day. It also relieves headaches and migraines. 7. Improves digestion and prevents digestive disorder. Digestion is one of the most vital processes of the entire body, and it is essential to keep the digestive system healthy. Castor oil works as a laxative, which helps eliminate food waste from the body. It encourages good bacteria growth in your intestines and can even reduce bloating after eating. This oil improves the quality of your digestion and metabolism, lowering cholesterol levels and reducing sugar cravings. If you have trouble digesting your food, adding a few drops of castor oil to your diet may help. 8. Relieves asthma. Asthma is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can cause a person to struggle to breathe and can be life-threatening. This problem is often triggered by environmental factors like air pollution and pet dander and can also result from food allergies or reactions to certain medications. Castor oil is a natural remedy for asthma as it helps reduce inflammation. You can use the oil to treat mild cases of asthma or prevent it from worsening. 9. Treats acne, burns, and stretch marks. If you want to take care of acne and pimples, apply castor oil over the affected areas of your face. It will help control acne and pimples because it has antibacterial properties that fight these skin problems. Castor oil is a natural remedy for burns due to the nutrients that help treat burn wounds, especially on the skin. Plus, it is loaded with vitamin E and sulfur, nutrients that help reduce scarring and stretch marks. The oil remedies stretch marks by promoting skin regeneration over time. Castor oil has AHA, or alpha-hydroxy acids, a natural exfoliator that removes dead skin cells and promotes new cell growth by increasing collagen production. If you want to eliminate stretch marks and generate new skin cells, castor oil is your best bet. 10. Relieves itching. Castor oil is often a part of home remedies to relieve itching. The oil has soothing and moisturizing properties that nourish and relaxes the skin, relieving skin dryness and itching. In addition, the oil improves circulation and ultimately reduces dryness. As you can see, castor oil has a long history of serving as a health and beauty remedy. It is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, which makes it beneficial for the skin, hair, and nails. Additionally, it can help treat digestive issues, joint pain, and headaches. To get the most out of this potent oil, purchase pure, organic castor oil from a reputable source. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 22 effective castor oil uses and benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.